So today I'll be showing you exactly how you can use ChatGPT voice mode on your mobile app. Well, I won't be exactly showing you, but I'll be describing to you so you can follow along. So to begin, you'd want to open up your ChatGPT app on your phone and start a new chat. Then once you're in your new chat, you'll see this little icon like this. See use voice mode. It'll be the same on your phone in the bottom right of the chat window. You'll click that. Once clicking this, you'll see a little window pop up asking you to enable microphone on ChatGPT. If that doesn't pop up, you can simply go to settings and go to ChatGPT specifically and enable it in the settings of that app. Once enabled, you'll be able to enter speech mode. And once in speech mode, you'll be able to see the different settings and parameters that you can set. On the bottom left, you'll be able to see the video mode that you can enable so it can basically see stuff that's going on with you. You can hit the microphone so you can record extra additional content if need be. And you have the three dots that you can click and use to upload a photo, take a photo, or just share screen immediately in voice mode, which is very helpful if you're trying to utilize it while doing something that's very specific and you wanted to see it while you do it. You can also go ahead and click the X if you wanted to end your chat, but if you want to keep looking into the different things you can utilize voice mode with, you can go up to the top right where you'll see a little two-dot system. It would be up here in this case, but it's two dots with lines going through them. If you click that, you'll be able to see that you can change the voice to one that you prefer. It doesn't have to be the default Juniper voice. You can alter it to your liking. On the right next to that one, you'll be able to see a share clip where you can share the recordings that you have just done. Finally, next to that is the CC, which is basically the closed captioning, so that you can get subtitles while it chats with you. So that's basically how you can use ChatGPT voice mode on your mobile app. I wish I was able to show it to you, but I described it to the best of my ability using what we have here. So hopefully that was helpful to you. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.